City Auto Sales. We're out driving our Ford Bronco. Nice Bronco mechanically. Body's just so you can go out and play in the woods or on the beach or whatever, or take it to the next level and restore. But never knowing. I think we're going 60 according to the little deal. It says it runs 10 miles an hour fast, so we probably are going a little over 60 right now. You can see half fuel tank. It's cold. And the oil pressure gauge working. You can hear the radio in the background. It goes down the road pretty good. So the nice thing about this, it's not a perfect Bronco body-wise, so like I said, if you want to go beat it around in the woods or use it for a vehicle out in the pasture, but you still want a classic Bronco, you definitely can get one. And then if someday you want to turn it into a show truck or something, or paint it, it's good and solid for that. A little bit of rust, but not bad. Take a look at the video and the pictures. We're very transparent, so you should see everything that I see. So, and this is a, I believe 302 automatic. We'll use the brakes right here. Brakes work good. Got a radiator fan, electric fuel pump, power steering. So, nice setup for just out driving. There you can see these things got a nice short turning radius. Back in the old days, a lot of guys used to use these for plow trucks because they could turn so easy. So like car dealers doing their lots, they work really nice. So they are more than just, back in the old days, they're more than just a show truck. You can use them to work. So any questions, 605-695-7391.